Hello, future biologists. Welcome to your journey into the fascinating world of biology. Today, we are diving into a crucial topic, the harmful activities of fungi, part of our chapter on the economic importance of bacteria and fungi. We'll explore how these seemingly simple organisms can impact our food, health, and environment. Get ready to uncover the hidden dangers of fungi, from basic concepts to advanced scientific insights. Let's begin. Ready to discover how tiny fungi can cause big problems? Let's start with the basics. Fungi are diverse organisms, including molds and yeasts. While some are beneficial, many can cause harm. Firstly, they are notorious for food spoilage. Imagine your bread turning green and fuzzy, that's mold, a type of fungus, making it rot and unsafe to eat. This leads to significant food waste. Secondly, fungi cause numerous plant diseases, attacking crops, garden plants, and trees. These diseases can severely reduce yields and quality, impacting farmers and our food supply. For example, powdery mildew on leaves is a common fungal infection that weakens plants. Beyond food and plants, fungi also affect us directly. Some cause skin infections in humans and animals, known as mycosis. Think of athlete's foot, a common fungal infection causing itchy, red skin between the toes. Lastly, fungi can damage various materials. They decompose substances like wood, leather, and textiles, causing structural damage to buildings or spoilage of stored goods. For instance, dry rot, caused by certain fungi, can significantly weaken wooden structures in homes. Understanding these basic harmful roles helps us appreciate their impact. Now, let's test your understanding of the easy concepts. Take a moment to answer these 3 questions based on what we've just learned. Good luck! Let's dig a little deeper into the world of harmful fungi and their broader impact. Fungal plant diseases lead to major agricultural losses globally. Diseases like potato blight, which cause the Great Irish Famine, or rusts on wheat, can devastate crops, impacting food security and farmer livelihoods. Beyond visible spoilage, some fungi produce mycotoxins, toxic substances that contaminate food and animal feed. Ingesting these can cause serious health issues, from acute poisoning to liver damage and cancer, like those caused by aflatoxins from Aspergillus species. This makes food safety a critical concern. Fungal infections in humans and animals, called mycoses, are classified by how deep they penetrate. Superficial mycoses affect only the skin surface, like common ringworm. Cutaneous mycoses go a bit deeper into the skin. Subcutaneous mycoses involve tissues beneath the skin, often from injuries. Most serious are systemic mycoses, which affect internal organs and can be life-threatening, especially for those with weakened immune systems. Lastly, fungi damage manufactured goods and infrastructure. They biodegrade wood, paper, textiles, and even plastics, causing structural damage to buildings and spoilage of valuable stored items. The ability of fungi to break down materials stems from their digestive enzymes. These enzymes decompose organic substances, leading to decay and structural weakening. This process affects everything from historical documents to modern building materials, incurring significant repair and replacement costs. The widespread nature of these activities highlights the economic importance of understanding and controlling harmful fungi. Time to challenge yourself with some medium-level questions. Think critically about the broader impacts of fungal activities. Good luck! Ready to unravel the complex science behind fungal hazards? Let's explore the intricate details. Mycotoxins are a serious concern. Aflatoxins, produced by Aspergillus fungi, are potent liver carcinogens found in contaminated peanuts and corn. Ergot alkaloids from Claviceps purpurae can cause ergotism, leading to neurological symptoms and gangrene. Ochratoxins from Aspergillus and Penicillium damage kidneys. Fungal infections, or mycosis, are categorized by depth: superficial affecting skin surface, cutaneous deeper skin, subcutaneous beneath skin, and systemic affecting internal organs, often life-threatening for immunocompromised individuals. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for diagnosis and treatment. Major fungal plant pathogens like rusts and smuts are obligate parasites that devastate cereal crops, causing massive yield losses. Blights, such as the late blight of potato, cause rapid tissue death. Wilts, caused by fungi like Fusarium block water transport, leading to plant death. Fungi thrive in specific conditions: high humidity, moderate temperatures, and abundant organic matter. Their spores are easily spread by wind, water, and even insects, facilitating rapid disease transmission. Host susceptibility, whether due to a weakened immune system in animals or lack of genetic resistance in plants, also plays a critical role in disease development. The overall economic impact of harmful fungi is staggering. Annual global crop losses due to fungal diseases are estimated between 10 to 30%, severely impacting food security and farmer incomes. The medical costs associated with treating mycosis, particularly systemic infections, are substantial. Furthermore, the damage fungi inflict on stored goods, housing infrastructure, and cultural heritage items represents significant financial burdens. Effective management strategies are vital to mitigate these widespread economic consequences. Now, let's test your advanced understanding. These questions require more detailed explanations and connections between concepts. Take your time and think deeply. Let's elevate our understanding to the highest level, exploring the cutting-edge science and engineering insights into fungal pathogenicity. Fungal pathogenicity involves intricate molecular mechanisms. Fungi secrete various enzymes like cellulases and proteases to break down host tissues, enabling invasion and nutrient absorption. Many also produce mycotoxins, which act as virulence factors by suppressing host immunity or directly damaging cells. They use specialized adhesins to attach to host surfaces and structures like Episoria to penetrate barriers. Fungi also employ sophisticated immune evasion strategies, such as altering their cell walls or producing capsules to avoid host immune recognition. These mechanisms highlight the complex coevolutionary arms race between fungi and their hosts. Let's examine specific mycotoxins in detail. Aflatoxins, especially AFB1, are potent carcinogens causing liver cancer, commonly found in contaminated peanuts and corn. Ergot alkaloids from Claviceps purpurae cause ergotism, leading to severe vasoconstriction, neurological symptoms, and gangrene. Ochratoxin A from Aspergillus and Penicillium is nephrotoxic and carcinogenic. Fumonizins from Fusarium in MAG cause neurological and pulmonary diseases in animals. Understanding these toxicological profiles is vital for global food safety and public health, driving stringent regulatory measures and continuous monitoring of food supplies worldwide. Control strategies are multifaceted. In agriculture, we use resistant crop varieties, fungicides, and cultural practices like crop rotation and sanitation. Biological control, using beneficial microorganisms, also shows promise. For medical control, antifungal drugs target fungal-specific structures like ergosterol in the cell membrane or components of the cell wall, minimizing harm to human cells. Hygiene and environmental controls also play a role. Ecologically, fungal parasitism is a dynamic coevolutionary process, with hosts developing resistance and fungi evolving new virulence. Emerging fungal pathogens, driven by climate change and global travel, pose new challenges. Moreover, the increasing antifungal resistance in both agricultural and clinical settings is a growing concern, necessitating ongoing research into novel treatments. The continuous coevolution between fungi and their hosts drives a dynamic arms race, shaping biodiversity and adaptation. Fungi, as decomposers, play a crucial ecological role, and their pathogenic forms highlight the delicate balance in ecosystems. The emergence of new fungal pathogens, influenced by factors like climate change and increased global connectivity, poses ongoing public health challenges. Furthermore, the development of antifungal resistance, both in agriculture and medicine, is a significant concern, emphasizing the need for innovative research into novel control strategies and sustainable practices to combat these persistent threats. Now, let's tackle the first 5 challenging questions. These require a deep understanding of fungal biology, mechanisms of action, and their broader implications. Analyze each question carefully and provide comprehensive answers. Here are the final 5 questions to truly test your mastery of the topic. These questions push you to connect complex ideas and apply your knowledge in diverse scenarios. Take your time, think critically, and demonstrate your comprehensive understanding. You've journeyed through the intricate world of fungi and their harmful activities, from basic concepts to advanced scientific insights. We hope this exploration has deepened your understanding of their significant impact on our lives and the environment. For more engaging and in-depth educational content, visit synapse.omaps.in. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting biology lessons. Keep exploring, keep learning, and stay curious.